Hey y'all, we're gonna get us a reading for Pisces. As you know, I've already began my pre-shuffle before I press the record button. So, alright, I'm gonna cut the deck and we're gonna get into it with the main energy for Pisces. Bottom of the deck, we have tired of the drama. So, baby, somebody just threw. They tired of the drama. They tired. Hey, tired of the drama starter is what it is. So, hey, we got tired of the drama on the bottom of the deck. And then when I split it, drama starter. So somebody is damn sure tired of another person. Tired of their antics, tired of the games that they play, tired of, again, the drama that comes along with them. Yeah. All right. So we're going to get the main energy out on the table. We have Tantric sex, first card out, and anger management. So somebody may be trying to maintain their anger through sex or having tantric exchanges or something like that. You got knowing they fucked up. So somebody know that they messed up. Oh, somebody may have had tantric sex with another person, and I'm not sure what transpired or something like that, but now they're trying to maintain their anger. That's what that anger management is after that, because they know that they fucked up. Okay. You got in their feelings. Somebody in their feelings. Man, like, what is going on, baby? What is going on? This just came out the gate. Somebody is tired. They tired of the drama. Then you got, boom, the drama starter. And we come out the gate with tantric sex. I thought something, you know what I mean? I don't know. Tantric sex, anger management, knowing they fucked up in their feelings. That tantric sex seemed like, man, that was something somebody should have stayed away from. You got shine. And say your light, simply irritate their demons. Maybe there's something somebody didn't want to admit about a person or about a situation. You got doing drugs in reverse. So somebody may have said that another person had some type of toxic habits or some type of negative influences that they would use or that they would indulge in or something like that. But for real, it was simply just you shine, your light, irritating their demons. They got bad karma. So somebody got some type of bad karma due to, you know, something with the bullshit they had going on, some drama that they had started when it came to them fulfilling the fantasy and keeping the promise. What's that? And you ended up dodging some type of bullets or something like that. Dodging, yeah, the negative energy. You was able to foresee something. You got outdated in the reverse. So with this tantric sex, somebody is, I'm hearing that they still having sex with some other people. Having sex with people. Claire, what is this with this outdated with this tantric sex? You got a stalker. So you got somebody that's stalking you and still sleeping around with other people is what somebody that's broke is. That sounds like broke activities though, don't it? All they got to offer is some tail. Some tail. Offering up some tail. Hey, but somebody is still doing this. Like I said, this tantric exchange and this outdated in the reverse. They clearly out here having different type of exchanges with people, but then it says stalker, watching, obsessed with what? Not to mention envy. So the envy is too now. You gotta, well, of course, if they watching, then I guess kick to the curb in the reverse. Something is not being let go. So somebody is watching you and they envious that you haven't kicked something to the curb yet. They have some type of proof or evidence or fact that you holding on to something. Hell, it may be your word, it may be a position, it may be a person. It's all different type of stuff. Either way it go, you doing something that somebody thought that you would have been stopped by now or something. This forcer. So somebody thought that they had kind of forced you in order to do what they wanted. Look, with the photo proof in the reverse, yeah, that didn't happen. That didn't happen at all. So you may have been dealing with somebody who may have been trying to send you some type of projections or something like that. Somebody who know their way around your energy, your energetic field or something like that is what I'm hearing. It didn't work though. Obsessive lover. This don't make no sense the way this shit just coming out like this just all right here now. Tantric sex. It's not outdated. They want you to still be with it because, baby, they're stalking you, fucking everybody else, but still stalking you and watching you because they envious of the fact that you have not laid something down or threw something out the window. This gives me to feel like this is somebody who feel like you aren't dependable, or you don't have the capabilities of seeing things through, or like you're not somebody who's focused or something like that. It gives me the feel again of somebody doing a whole lot of projecting because as we can see, they focus on the wrong shit. And they tried to force you into some type of discomfort or something like that with something that you got going on or something that you have, or maybe something new. Like I said, it could be a person, place, thing, whatever it is. Somebody felt like you would have been let that shit go by now and you did not. That's what they got proof of, that they was not able to force their way. Force their way, force their thoughts, force their opinion. They couldn't force shit on you. With the evidence in the reverse, the photo proof in the reverse. What we do have evidence of, though, is that this person is simply just obsessed with you because why in the fuck are you still showing up after all this time type shit. Weird as fuck, like. Oh, because they're into you. Spirit said, well, this is why they're showing up. You guys have good chemistry, good vibes. It's your little magical ass. Where I told you, you better keep that to yourself. Keep it to your goddamn self. I ain't gonna keep on telling you. God damn it, you sneeze and all of a sudden you got fairies and gnomes and they just... You better monitor your magic. Now, that's what I'm saying. They just want you to dust it off, though. That's what they saying. They want you to dust it off. They can't forget you. Oh. What's that? That Adele. This might have... And see, my thing is, because it's giving me the vibe, like, you know, that Adele, what is that called? Someone Like You. Ain't that like one of her first songs? But you know how when she say that she come in like she heard, I heard, damn, what she say? I heard that you found a girl. Yeah, like, it's like moving on. Somebody realizing that another person is moving on from them. You know what I mean? It's like, I don't want you to, I don't know. Because it's like this right here, they keep on saying, look, they gonna need you to bring your ass back here. And they don't seem like they really want to let you go as easy as you would like for this to go. If that makes sense to you. Even if it's all the way down to they gotta intimidate your ass, watch your ass every day, follow you with however it is. You know what I mean? That they feel like, I don't know, like somebody is determined not to lose you or a certain situation, though. Look, don't want to hear it. They don't want to hear that this shit is over. Because see, with this tantric sex, they thought that they was going to be able to, again, get their way back in. But that's outdated. That's expired. You ain't with that no more. And that's why this person is, again, with this anger management, trying to more so hold their composure. But they don't want to hear that something is outdated. Look, kissing ass. So somebody might be trying to convince you, you know what I mean, to allow them access to you. Convince you that maybe they want to pucker up, actually, you know what I mean? I don't know. This kissing ass can go all different kind of ways. This could be somebody love bombing you, gaslighting you, all different type of stuff. This is just letting me know that somebody is more so receiving information that something is not going to continue on how they would like for it to, and they don't want to hear that, but they trying to tell you, look at this. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. This stalker, kissing ass, they ain't gonna let it go. Or they don't want to let it go. Look, thief in reverse. Kissing ass because they wasn't able to take something from you. So now they're just watching you have it with envious. Hey, because somebody told you, they thought you was going to throw something to the side by now. Somebody thought you was going to be over something. Look, cock blocking. They wasn't able to take something from you, so they tried to block it. They tried to, yeah, shorten some type of time or shorten your focus or something. Again, with the projecting. Yeah. So they couldn't take it, so they tried to block it. It's really starting to sound more and more like a gift. Look, it was a bad choice, though, when they did that, for them to try to force it, because somebody was supposed to leave you alone. And that's why, again, when that bad karma came out, you completely unfazed with this shit, somewhere sipping your tea, drinking your coffee, whatever it is that you do, and they fucked up. They fucked up from it. They getting bad karma. Because it was a bad choice for them to try to force anything on you. Look, cyberbullying. So they might be trying to dust something off. Understand that with this cyberbullying, I'm really not getting this person making any ill remarks or something like that. Like, they might say a little something, but you're dealing with somebody who really don't want you to be aware of the fact that it's them. So somebody is more so just using the internet in order to carry this dusted off energy, like more so look into you, see what you have going on, see, you know what I mean, what your vibe is it cool today, is it not cool today, like it's kind of like a temperature, a thermometer, you know what I mean? I ain't really getting like they getting on there and they really just talking shit to you or nothing like that. Shit, for some of y'all they might. But with this check yourself energy, this is it for this obsessive lover. Somebody needs to check themselves. And not to mention, it was a bad choice when somebody did some cyberbullying and they was supposed to check themselves in. It's like somebody is gone obsessive and don't even realize it, though. Shit, maybe you don't realize it either, though, because you got the hustling. Say check yourself hustling. Somebody might be paying extra attention to you online, for one. Trying to check your hustle, see what you're doing, what it is that you're focused on. Somebody who's into you might actually love your hustle or see your hustle or something like that going on. I feel the need for some of y'all too to say, you know what I mean? You very focused on what you're doing right now, like getting to your bag and everything, but you always need to make sure that you are aware of your surroundings and the different people that surround you, and just be aware while you hustling type thing. Yeah. Bad karma. That bad karma wanted to come out bad, though. So, it's a hustling bad karma. Obsessive lover, check yourself. Into you, hustling, dust it off, bad karma. Okay, so if you dust this off, if this is something that you already separated yourself from and you own to your hustle, if it's something that you double back on simply just because y'all got that good chemistry and all the rest of that extra shit, you get bad karma. It said clear as day, dust it off, bad karma. So get your ass on in here and get tossed up too. That's basically what the universe saying. Game over. Or get your ass in here and get tossed up too. Now, what's this knowing they fucked up? Reflecting. So somebody is doing this reflecting. They're going over different situations, scenarios in their mind when they may not have responded the best way that they should have. And they knowing that they messed up, for real. It's like, they don't want to hear that something is over, but they know that they fucked up. That's that forcer energy, though. I'm telling you. They like, nah, it's not outdated. Like, let me put your crush for you, really. Look, karmic friends. They even reflecting off of karmic friends. The different advice that they got that they know that they were not able to trust. This people had, like, somebody was dealing with another person where it's like let's say you got two friends and they bump heads or something like that. And then, you know how sometimes people could say stuff out of anger. It's like somebody, because I don't even want to say, like, you know, I don't give a fuck. Like, if you said it, then it came from somewhere. So we ain't even going to just say out of anger type shit. Like, somebody listened to shit that they should not have listened to. They said shit that they should not have said. They did shit that they should not have done. It's like somebody, like, they just know that they fucked up when they just go over the whole road that got them to the position, or, you know what I mean, wherever it is that they at right now. Because he looked like he in the middle of the goddamn woods and it's a forest fire. Everything is on fire. And he's sitting there with his head in his hands, you know what I mean, saying that he fucked up. And then you got this reflecting going over at the times that he didn't want to hear it when he had the time. Instead, this person chose to be a karmic friend. Be somebody that you could not fully trust. Be somebody that kept some tension between y'all. Be somebody that wanted to secretly compete with you. It's like somebody was fake as fuck. And now they want to kiss some ass and be a stalker, you know what I mean? Only because they're envious because they was not able to take shit from you due to you having this emotional intelligence. Knowing they fucked up, reflecting karmic friends' emotional intelligence. Goofball. They knew somebody was goofy as they was. Damn, blind leading the blind. It is what it is, though. Clarify this. Wasting time in the reverse. Emotional intelligence. They ain't wasting their time. With the cock blocking. Because they ain't kicking nothing to the curb. Okay. Clarify this. Wasting time in the reverse. You got promiscuous. Look, bad choices of being promiscuous. Somebody just being nasty. So they going over the times when they did not use their emotional intelligence. They was just making horrible choices, just sleeping with people. For real. And then it's like forcing you to accept. I really can't even say forcing you to accept. It's kind of like somebody really just wasn't even giving you the options, and now they looking you up, talking about they hate nothing about you. Like I said with this cyberbullying shit, where I said somebody probably just using fake pages and shit like that or something like that to view your account. They really not even saying nothing. Yeah, this obsessive lover needs to check themselves while they talking about they hate nothing about you. Like, they did what they did. I'm telling you, that's what they don't want to hear. Somebody might even try to come to you and have a conversation. Look, with these fake friends type shit, into you hustling fake friends. Somebody might even try to come back around since you got them out here in this hustling energy too. And try to make it seem like they want to rekindle something. Y'all cool, y'all friend. This shit weird. Travel in the reverse. Yeah, that shit ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. That's their karma. That's their karma. That's their karma. Into you hustling fake friends. Yeah. Somebody paying it. It's like they looking you up and they like what they see, or they actually see the potential. You know what I mean? And now somebody wanna, it's like bandwagon jump type shit. They don't want to hear that it's over. I feel like I'm fumbling the shit out these cards. What's in their feelings? Insecure. So fake friends that's insecure. Somebody in their feelings now. And they hiding, you know, the conclusions that they coming up with when they doing this reflecting. Because these karmic friends, whoever it was that they listened to, in all actuality didn't have no fucking facts. Somebody never had facts. A motherfucker in their feelings and they insecure because they listened to somebody who lied to their goofy ass instead of using their emotional intelligence. And now they want to feel a certain type of way towards you because you use yours and move the fuck on. And ultimately, they just simply ain't shit. They insecure because this person did not have no facts. And they ain't shit when it comes to the emotional intelligence. This person lacks common sense. Damn. Keeping a promise to block somebody. Keeping a promise that it wasn't over yet to block somebody. Somebody didn't have the facts. Everybody is keeping a promise energy. Caution. Somebody should have been more careful with this promiscuous energy that they had. This sleeping around, making these choices. What is this Scarcity energy then? I don't even like that shit next to that. Total drama, taking action. So somebody might be watching. It's something with some movies or some total drama, looking you up. Cyberbullying. You doing something online. Creeping. Yeah, and this obsessive lover creeping, watching you. They like it. They like it. Creativity in the reverse. These fake friends ain't able to match your creativity either. This person creeping and they can't steal your work. They can't steal your work. They can't copy off of whatever it is that you're doing. They can't feed off of you because you ain't even got them close to you, no nothing. They ain't got shit to use to be creative with when it comes to this hustling. Look, so they talking shit. They can't even talk shit, though, with this travel that's in the reverse. That means the shit that they saying ain't even moving around. Because somebody got some type of bad karma going on right now. They being revisited from shit from the past. Old actions. Look, investigating in the reverse with the shine. Somebody trying to keep it to themselves that simply is your light that irritate their demons. They ain't even got no real reason to be in their feelings when it comes to you. They ain't got no real reason to feel a certain type of way about you. It's their own insecurities. That's why they trying to keep that shit hidden. Look, and they ain't had no facts when it came to something about somebody getting a hotel room or something like that. Maybe they said you got a room with somebody or you did something in a hotel room. What is this? Wolf in sheep's clothing in the reverse. So somebody ain't no wolf in sheep's clothing. Ain't no wolf in sheep's clothing. Somebody is authentically who they said they are. And this person was trying to prove that somebody wasn't shit. But they actually have emotional intelligence. That's why they couldn't take shit from them. Look, broke. Keeping a promise. Broke. So somebody may be keeping a promise for somebody to be broke. It's like, yeah, you authentic, but somebody don't want you to make money or something like that. Or they feel a certain type of way. Love on the brain. They need to be careful with love on the brain. This promiscuous energy because they making bad choices. This person just goofy as fuck. Seem like this awkward ass energy. A spiritual hater that's in their ego burning evidence. Because they a fucking happiness hater burning evidence or what? That they a happiness hater. That's a mess. Hey, I'm thinking now, even with doing this, am I even gonna lose this? Because this shit all over the place. It says scarcity tactics, setting the record straight. So somebody trying to be smart about setting the record straight. They're trying to use some type of more so calculated movements. I really can't